Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Tlalane Mokuoane and I'm the founder and director of Opullent Interior Designs. We are based in Olifantsfontein at Hanky Dory Business Park. We started the business because of my passion for interior design and my love for beautiful spaces. During our journey as interior designers, we then decided that we should branch into making or manufacturing custom luxury furniture. So we do interior design as well as customized furniture that is of luxury. We also do reupholstery. If you have old furniture that you want to reupholster, we can do that for you. We also do curtaining and blinds for those people who want to give their windows a fresh look. We also do a full turnkey interior designs, and what that entails is that we first start with the consultation, and then during the consultation you get to tell us what you like, how you foresee your space looking like, and once you've gotten that, then we can agree to do an interior design concept for you, where we will give you a drawing of how your space is going to look like. Once that is approved, we then give you a quotation or the budget of how much the whole project is going to cost, and once that is also approved, then we can continue with implementing your project. And the nice thing is that with full turnkey, we also manufacture our own furniture, so everything is within our business and it's a one-stop shop. The reason that people should choose us is because we do custom-made furniture. And what that means is that you get to choose your own design, you get to choose your own fabric, you get to choose the way you like the legs of your couches, the color, everything is custom-made for your liking. So unlike going into a shop where you get to buy a standard product that you can find in somebody else's house, we from our business can custom make a furniture piece for you that represents your character, your personality, and goes very well with the design hue inside your house. You can contact us on social media. We have an Instagram account. Our handle is at Opullent Interior Designs. We are also on Facebook, and our handle is at Opullent Interior Design. We are also on Twitter. You can also find us on Twitter, and our handle there is Opullent Int Design. We also have a website that is www.opullentinteriordesign.co.za. Our contact details are 067 401 7626 or 082 667 6339. Thank you. Hi, my name is Tlalane Mokuoane and I'm a township entrepreneur.